Solve x minus 4 over 3 plus 2x minus 3 over 4 is equal to 2, showing clear algebraic working. Okay, so we write the question out. Okay, so when you're doing fractions, you look at addition or subtraction, you find a lowest common denominator. So we're going to find a common denominator. The lowest number that 3 and 4 go into is 12. So we'll put the fraction over 12. That means I've multiplied that 3 by 4, so I need to multiply this top part here by 4 as well. So 4 brackets x minus 4. We've got plus here, and I've multiplied this 4 by a 3, so I need to put a 3 in front of this 2x minus 3. It's still equal to 2. Right, next I'm going to expand the brackets. So expanding the brackets, we're going to get 4x minus 16, 4 times minus 4, plus 3 times 2x, which is 6x, 3 times minus 3, which is minus 9. Now I'm going to also multiply both sides by 12, that I take that 12 up here, so we're going to get 2 times 12, which is equal to 24. So this now got rid of the fraction. Now collecting together like terms, so we've got 4x plus 6x, which gives 10x, minus 16 minus 9 gives minus 25, is equal to 24. And then we're going to add 25 to both sides, so that's going to give that 10x is equal to 24 plus 25, which is 49. And then we're going to divide by 10 on both sides, so we're going to get that x is equal to 49 over 10, or 4.9. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an algebraic fraction, equation with an algebraic fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.